Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do trinkets today. This is on my main account, and part of my voice, I'm sick. So anyways, as you can see on this, I have the Vintner's Goblet equipped for trinket. And these are the ones I have on this account, so quite a few. Now we're going to go into the crafting panel. There is a trinket crafting event happening, so that's why I'm doing this video at this time. Part of my voice, like I said, I am sick. Now with trinkets, you have to craft from level 1 up on the same trinket. You can't craft like a Vintner's Goblet for the strong wine, and you'll see what I mean. So we're going to do the Book of Brothers trinket. That is the event that is happening right now. Any trinket gets points for the event, but we're going to do the Book of Brothers. So we're going to go from a level 1. And we're going to just select the materials. In this case, we've got green and gray. I can upgrade some more, but we're just going to start off with green. So to do a level 1, you don't need a sacrifice piece. We're going to speed it up. And it's green. So then we're going to start with a level 5 next. Now notice trinkets don't have the ability to buy a template. And as you can see, I don't have a level 1 artisan's compass, so I can't craft the artisan's compass. And that's what I was talking about with trinkets. You can't use a different piece to craft that piece. So we're going to mix the materials a little bit. I'm going to show you that the sacrifice piece makes a difference in the quality outcomes. So see, if I were to change the gray, the odds change. But change it back to green, and it's going to increase the odds of a green outcome. My game glitched a little bit. Sorry about that. And it came out fine. So now we're going to go into the next level, level 10, and we're going to forge a level 10. We're going to upgrade the materials to blue, purple, and see if we can get a purple book. The odds still heavily favor blue in this case because the sacrifice piece is blue, and that's with all crafting. So go into a level 15. Upgrade to purple on the book materials. See if we can't get this to be a higher quality. As I said, I have steel efficiency gear. I just chose not to use it on this. For the lower pieces, I generally don't if I have the steel. I just won't put the gear on because it doesn't make it that much of a difference at lower levels. So now we're going to see if we can get an epic out of this gamble. Now there is a trick, a theory about using speed ups until it's so many seconds or a minute, and then using gold for the last, say, 50 seconds or so, and it'll improve the quality. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and it's just a theory. There's no actual evidence. In this case, it did work. I was able to get an epic out of that gamble by using gold for the last 50 seconds or so. So as you can see, this changes the stats, and it shows you what it would be if it was an epic. The little X's means that I don't have enough materials to make the gamble 100% epic, or even to increase those particular materials up to the epic. And there is a trinket event happening, so any trinket's going to give me points. It will show the point value for that particular item in that particular quality. If I change it to legendary, it shows the stats for legendary. Notice the steel does not change though. Exquisite. So if I were to make a purple book, this is what the stats would be, but I don't have the materials. Now I do for the blue. That little green beaker means that I have enough materials to improve the odds and to increase the quality of each material to that color. That's what that green beaker means. If it's X'd out, then you don't have enough materials to make it the color you're searching for. But you could make it green or even still keep it the gray and gamble. In this case, I have the materials to make it blue and to guarantee at least a blue book. Now my chances of getting an orange are not as great. I'm going to do the gold gamble again and see if it works. Like I said though, it doesn't always work, so don't guarantee it and don't rely on it. And it didn't work. Came out fine. Now here I don't even have enough materials to ensure that it's blue. And I don't have enough of the advanced material to ensure that it's green at a level 30. And as I said, it was an event, so I'm going to get a bunch of different rewards now. But I do want to show that the dragon trinkets are different. I'm going to show this is my steel efficiency gear, this is the Went, and I double it as a healing gear as well. So I'm going to change it real quick. Go back into the crafting panel, and I'm going to show you the dragon trinkets. Now see, the steel value is green, which means that my efficiency gear is working. Now the dragon trinkets are different than any other trinket rolls. Not the dragon glass, but the actual dragon trinkets. There's a horn, the torque, and the leash. They all use the same advanced mat, the Valyrian statues. So you can actually take a young dragon's leash at a level 1, sacrifice it for the dragon's lord horn at a level 5, sacrifice the horn for the torque for level 10, and so on. Those are the exceptions to normal trinket rules. Any other trinket you have to use like for like, meaning that you have to craft the compass at a level 1 to a level 5 to a level 30, all the way up. The dragon trinkets are different though, because they don't have that property. They have the same advanced mats, so you can interchange them. But you can't use like the winter rose necklace as I'm showing to craft the amber strong wine. It has to be the same. So that's the exception for trinkets. That's like the only exception for trinkets is the dragon trinkets. But these are all the different point values, all the different trinkets that you can craft.